board. Opo.
Halika, maupo kayo.
Good morning, boss. This is the first natin, boss, for 2026.
Yeah, welcome to our first school board meeting for the 2026. So, Mr. Treasurer, do we have a quorum?
Yes, po. Okay, we have a quorum.
And let's proceed with our agenda today.
For the first one, boss, we'd like to acknowledge first the new members of our
Okay.
school board for 2026, starting with our school division superintendent, Ma'am Cheryl Cayola. And of course, was our new MPSTA president, Ma'am Diversia Rivera from the Manila Science High School.
Oh, naku, sakto, may di-discuss sa Manila Science ngayon.
Opo.
May, nagano kasi, kailan ko nakakausap yung mga magulang? About a few weeks ago, and I told them, hindi pala nagawa yung ano nyo, yung science lab ninyo nung nawala ako. It's supposed to be kasi ganun yun. After you build, you start building inside a facility. Sad to say, but it took 3 years, walang movement doon sa school. So, I spoke with are you coming? We spoke with the parents of a graduating class. I said, sayang, pagkagawa ko pa naman yung ano nyo, science laboratory ninyo, graduate na kayo. I will discuss it later. Okay. So,
That would be all for the acknowledgement, boss. And I think the SDO will have a presentation for
Okay.
our request for budget realignment for 2026.